Buddhism beliefs. Maya, it means clouded dreams. So parang nasa cloud po sila. That's why po with the use of bright colors right now. Kasi parang nasa dream po tayo. Dream like parang ganun. And also, since Maya is from the Hinduism and Buddhism beliefs, and from Thailand po siya, since Thailand, they are known for having gods and goddesses. So this is Maya po, and this is her other forms. Since meron pong gods and goddesses yung Thailand, na mga elephants, mermaid, fairy horses, ganun po kasi yung mga gods and goddesses nila. So that is her other forms po. Landscape in the morning, so yung artist po nito is isa lang, by Sir Blue Wanwan. So this is with the use of just blue, the color blue and white, and this is with the use of green and white. So with just one So this one, this photo, yung sa other side, isang artist ng yung po yan. It was captured by Sir S.C. Shikar. This one, yung black and white na tones, and pinili niya po sa print niya po.
Detail.
Actually, parang gory po siya, just like sa Thailand, sacred punishment. Parang or a way of torture nung old times in Thailand. Parang sinasakalaga na nakapitay ka na, and then you will get materials na usually nakikita niya sa houses nila. And parang in-encapsulate niya po yung mga gamit. Like, meron po siyang nilalagay shapeless suns po. So this one is acrylic on canvas rin po. And then, para po siyang pencil yung pagkagawa sa kanya. And also, very fine rin po yung texture kasi nga po canvas. Pero very shiny po siya. Parang hindi po sa canvas. It's Gold Swing from Thailand. Yung mga Filipino artists. Lahat po naman dito sa third floor is Filipino artists. And parang sinasabi ko na after din ang Capico, na if na-remember niyo po yung sa second floor, yung sa escalator, yung horses po sa kanya yung diminishing memories of Home 5. So parang, with the title itself, Diminished Series po by Sir Abdul Mari. So very different po siya from other sa rin since din yun po yung pagkagawa. Visual arts na Muslim. So siya lang po talaga ang Muslim na naging national artist for visual arts. Fernando Marco Campo, national artist for visual arts, abstraction series. So this one po is the only piece na meron kami of Sir Fernando Marco Campo. Very known po siya kasi ng artist. Po, si Sir Fernando po is a crowd lang po. So, this year po talaga. And this one is called Citrine. So, oil on canvas po siya.
Ganda po ng buhay niya. Yung
Para
paint.
po siyang buhay na ng artwork. And para po, usually, na pagkakamalan po siyang photograph kapag sa malayo. Kasi para po siyang picture talaga. So, a lot of our guests po, ina-ask po namin sila, if nakikita po nila yung dead pig in this yung this is red down here, side is black. This one is called reunion. Since reunion po, para sa ating mga Pilipino, it's like getting together, family. So, nilagay po namin siya sa center, and nilagyan po siya ng mga, sa palibot niya, or sa paligid niya, ng mga things. And then, anger management. I share some with you. So, this one po, marami
Kunwari ka yung nakahiga.
Isip niya ba or may difference lang po tayo in our classes. Walang nakapalam po, meron tayo mga naka-shoes. And the one na nakapalam, kung pwede po siya downwards, pero disadvantage po when it comes to dealing with people na nasa higher ranks. And yung mga nasa higher ranks naman po, nabubuhan sila upwards. Kasi parang sinasabi lang po na kahit anong mangyari, tumataas pa rin sila. Kaya nilang i-bend yung law, kaya nilang lumakin, kaya
Pero
nilang...
narinig ko yun ah.
Saan niyo narinig yun, sir?
Ito may...
This one po is actually everyone's present. It's remark on our Reyes. So, this was actually made during 2019 before pandemic. Pero yung mga visitors po namin, pinag-ano po siya with the situation during the COVID-19.
Ang galing.
Siyang mask. Kasi kung nagmamask yung mga politicians, pero sa totoo, parang mga crocodiles po sila. That's why nakalabas yung crocodile sa mask. Yes. It's a visual representation na yung mga politicians natin here in the Philippines ay mamask into this very noble, very into this sad na parang i-help nila yung mga tao. But then, merong other
Agenda or
yes, other
motive.
motives na
Oo.
So, meron tayong tao dito na nag-rebel kasi parang it signifies us na Filipinos or tayo mga tao or citizens in the Philippines that we need to rebuild our system. We need to work on it. Yes po, parang na-unmask po siya. Parang nababas po yung totoong
Oo.
kulay nila, yes.
Behind the mask.
Mga 2020.
Oh.
And we have Kakananga po. So this one is actually made by Sir Michael Tactico. So si Sir Michael and si Sir
Oh,
Ferdinand
maliit siya.
are brothers po sila. Actual brothers po. And they use the same materials po, which is brass.
Uy, kaman